Hello everyone, this is Kayvon Atkinson again, and I'm here today to discuss just a couple questions over Chapter 6 that I thought were worth noting. My first question is regarding product-independent operations, more specifically packaging and seaming. So why would packaging and seaming not be considered product-dependent operations? I know that these aspects don't affect quality as far as actually making the product, as product-dependent operations would, or the more specified ones, such as like batching and filling and that sort of thing. But it kind of later noted with the packaging and seaming that improper execution of these tasks really is what contributes to microbe contamination, molds, bacteria, that sort of thing, or even physical contamination of the manufactured product. So while these things, like I said, I know they don't directly affect product quality as far as actually the making of the product. If these things aren't done correctly, the product quality will be affected. So it just kind of, it was just kind of confusing to me as to why these weren't really considered product-dependent operations. While I understand why they're not considered product-dependent operations, it seems as though some of their attributes would be considered more dependent and do contribute directly to product quality. Now, my second question is over the auditing itself. We talked about manufacturing audits in the past chapters, and there was a line in the chapter that said the auditing or the auditors are expected to find people doing things right, so that they're not really looking for problems, which is true. But even though an audit's purpose, like I said, has really been exclusively stated to not catch people doing something wrong, this goes back to wanting to find people doing things right. Wouldn't looking for correct execution of these tasks require an auditor to look for discrepancies or people doing things wrong? Now, I know that the disciplinary action is not a goal of an audit. I very much understand that, but the book just doesn't. It really tries to hammer it in there that they're not looking for people. They're wanting to find people doing things right, but in order to see if people are doing things right, you kind of have to see if they're doing things wrong or if their actions are incorrect to determine if they're incorrect or correct. So it just kind of, it just kind of seemed, the semantics of it, I guess, were kind of odd. Like I said, I understand that disciplinary action is not a goal, but they're still looking for things that are incorrect to determine if the process itself is correct. So just let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and have a good day.